Vidasi, and I'll be your MC for the Vaishnavi Retreat launch today. Please accept my humble obeisances. So before we begin, I would like to welcome all our distinguished guests, our co-GBC, His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Banu Maharaj, His Holiness Bhakti Vigna Narasimha Maharaj, His Holiness Bhakti Vinod Maharaj, His Holiness Bhakti Mukunda Maharaj, His Grace Bhagavatamrita Prabhu and his respectful wife, Her Grace Pani Purna Mataji, His Grace Jagashakshi Prabhu, His Grace Jagananda Prabhu, His Grace Devagi Nandan Prabhu, His Grace Hari Lila Prabhu and his respectful wife, Her Grace Divya Lila Mataji, His Grace Ramanipati Prabhu, our co-regional secretaries of ISKCON Malaysia, His Grace Mishra Prabhu and His Grace Chiranjiva Prabhu, Prabhus and Matajis. So first of all, I would like to invite our Vaishnavi Retreat advisor, Her Grace Shantirupa Mataji, to deliver her speech. And before she comes up, I would like to speak a few words about our advisor. Her Grace Shantirupa Devidasi joined ISKCON in 1980. She, along with her husband, His Grace Tatvik Prabhu, were among the pioneer devotees who served in ISKCON Malaysia. They have raised 2 children in Krishna consciousness. Over the years, she has led many services such as cooking, counseling devotees, deity dressmaking, and preaching, training women in all ages of Krishna consciousness. A medical doctor by profession, she serves in the health committee of His Holiness Srila Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj. She is the Director of Women and Children Welfare in Sri Jagannath Mandir, Kuala Lumpur, and is also a member of the Central Committee, ISKCON Malaysia. Hare Krishna.
Om Agyanatimirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nitinamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. So today we are going to have the launch of Vaishnavi Retreat 2025. So you may wonder why, when there's more than almost 8 months more for the Vaishnavi Retreat, we are launching it so early. It's just that we want a very successful retreat and we are planning very early. So I would like to quote His Divine Grace Abhaya Charana Ravinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, 3rd chapter, 30th verse. In the purport, he has emphasized something which all the speakers in this convention have been emphasizing, especially His Holiness Jayapataka Swami has mentioned several times the glories of chanting, the glories of association, which is going to be the success of this convention. So Srila Prabhupada mentioned one should learn how to associate with the devotees of the Lord by gathering with them to chant the glories of the Lord. This process is most purifying. As devotees thus develop their loving friendship, they feel mutual happiness and satisfaction, and by this, encouraging one another, they are going to give up material sense gratification, which is the cause of all suffering. So this Vaishnavi Retreat 2025 is going to be a forum where all the women in Krishna consciousness can associate with each other at all levels and uplift themselves in all aspects spiritually. In Malaysia, this Vaishnavi association began in 2015 in Todu, just locally within the temple. And then this event grew into a nationwide Vaishnavi retreat in 2018, where the whole of Malaysia took part, and it was we had invited international speakers, and it was a very great success. And now in 2025, we are planning to take it to the next level at an international level. Maharaj has already warned us of the great task that we are having ahead. But we are now seeking the blessings of their lordships, Sri Sri Jagannath Baladev Subhadra, Sri Sri Nitai Sundar Gaurahari, Sri Sri Radha Gokulananda, Narshingadev, Guru Parambara, to shower their mercy and blessings upon all of us so that we as work cooperatively to make this Vaishnava Retreat 2025 a grand success. Thank you, Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. So next, I would like to invite our Vaishnavi Retreat Chairman, Her Grace Sarvani Lakshmi Priya Devi Dasi.
Hare Krishna, Nama Om Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Pastaya Bhutale, Srimati Jaya Pataka Swamini Dinamini, Namo Acharya Padaya, Nitya Kripa Padayani, Gorakata Damadaya, Nagagrama Tarini, Nama Om Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Pastaya Bhutale, Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swamini Dinamini, Namaste Saraswati Devi, Gauravani Pacharini, Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Pasachari Satharini, Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadara, Srivasari Gaura Bhaktarinda, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Hare Krishna, dear devotees, I would like to take much time of yours. I'm just going to give a little introduction about our next upcoming Vaishnavi retreat. So this time, we are actually trying to make this go to international level. We have Chinese devotees here, we have also Singaporean devotees here. So we would like to invite all of you all, not only China, Singapore, we're also extending the invitation to Indonesia, Thailand, Australia, and also New Zealand. So we are inviting everyone, every Matajis from this region to come and join us for the upcoming Vaishnavi retreat. We are very pleased to announce our speakers. We have actually booked our speakers ahead of time already because these are very, very well-known speakers and we have to book them ahead of time. So every retreat we try to have at least one disciple of Srila Prabhupada and one Kirtaniya. So this time, the disciple of Srila Prabhupada is Her Grace Jagat-Tarini Mataji. Haribo! So Mataji has already given us 80% confirmation. She's only wanting to align with her respectful husband, His Grace Burijan Prabhu's schedule. So in the beginning of next year, she'll be fully confirming with us her attendance for the retreat. And also, this next speaker that we have invited is a very, very well-known speaker, and it's very tough to get her. But somehow, maybe because we are planning ahead of time, we are able to book her. Her Grace Nitai Sevini Mataji. Yeah. So Mataji is well known for her beautiful kathas and realizations and classes. So we're very, very honored to have her to join us also. And our Kirtaniya, we are inviting Her Grace Vishaka Mataji from Sridham Mayapur. So Mataji is well known for her sweet and melodious bhajans and kirtans. So we will be having her throughout the retreat as well. So these are the speakers so far. And every Vaishnavi retreat, we have a specific theme. So in 2015, our retreat theme was centered around Kunti Devi. And then in 2018, we did during Radhastami, so our theme was centered around Srimati Radharani. The upcoming Vaishnavi retreat, we are centering our theme to Tulsi Maharani, Vrinda Devi. The theme is deepening Bhakti with Vrinda Devi. So you will see even our logo, our theme, our posters, our pamphlets are all about Vrinda Devi and Bhakti Devi. So you will see that you will see soon because we're going to distribute to you all our pamphlets and everything. And also we have later, we're going to invite the VIPs to launch the motion work. So you'll see also Vrinda Devi in the motion work as well. So this time, the retreat, as usual, we'll be having it in the Temple of Devotion and Understanding in Seberang Jaya, Penang. Yes. And it's going to happen from 30th May to 2nd June next year. So you can plan ahead your time and try to book your accommodation, your flights, everything, so that you'll get, cheap flights and cheap accommodations in way ahead of time. And also, that you'll see later. So we would like to welcome all of you, Matajis. Last time retreat, we actually had the Prabhujis even cook for the Matajis. They were so welcoming to the Matajis. They even came and cooked. Every meal was cooked by the Prabhus, sponsored and cooked by the Prabhus. So we would like to thank all the Prabhujis for letting your Matajis to join the retreat and also sponsoring and also donating to us for the Matajis to increase in their bhakti life. Thank you so much. I hope you do this again next year. And also, we will also having Gurukulas during the retreat so that if any Matajis who have children, they can actually also have their children join the Gurukula, so it won't be a problem for all of you. So that's about it. I will try to shorten my one now here. So if you have any further queries, you can approach us anytime. We will let you know in further detail. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. All right. So before we start the launch, I would like everyone to watch the video first to have an idea what is Vaishnavi retreat is all about.
It all started in the year 2015. Her Grace Rupa Mataji, which is our mother, she questioned us, "What are you girls doing?" Prabhupada's disciples, they were youths when they propagated Krishna consciousness worldwide. So y'all should do something, the youths have strength. Try doing Vaishnavi retreat. So, it happened, somehow. Let's see, at that time, the Vaishnavi retreat was done only for the northern region youth girls, with only 2 advisors. And then, it became a demand among Matajis, and it went wild. And that's how we had our next Vaishnavi retreat. Our team of 3 expanded. The youth girls are now involved. 2 advisors becomes 3 advisors. Yes, to do it nationally, we need to think big. And that is how Her Grace Yasumati Mataji became one of our speakers. Preparations of Vaishnavi retreat has begun. We have created a community of services available. If you desire to serve all the Vaishnavis, please join our community. We welcome you.
Haribo! So, now, the most awaited time, the launching of Vaishnavi Retreat 2025. I would like to invite His Grace Bhagavatamrita Prabhu, His Holiness Bhakti Vinod Maharaj, His Holiness Bhakti Mukunda Maharaj, and His Grace Himesha Prabhu on stage to launch the Vaishnavi Retreat 2025. Haribo! So, just have to press the button. Okay, button.
What opens up?
Huh?
What opens up?
We'll open the.
Oh, the big one.
Yes. So,
Who's going to press
just give all 3 of you all.
All of us press the button. Then you
Yes.
do it.
Just press the OK button.
Put your finger to come out to the other side.
So, I would like to request all of you to press the OK button.
Vrindai Tosi Devai Shri Ayai Sidvasacha Krishna Bhakti Pari Devi Rajavasa Namo
Krishna piyasi Namo Namaha.
Thank you. I would like to request the VIPs to still stay on stage. And yes, I would like to invite, no, need you all to be still on stage. So first, we would like to invite the main personality of our Vaishnavi Retreat 2025, Srimati Tulsi Devi, on stage. And meanwhile, can we get the girls with the ghee lamps to distribute to our VIPs? You show the ghee lamp for Tulsi Devi. Show the ghee lamp for Tulsi Devi.
The Tulsi Sankirtan.
Yeah. We sing together. Sing together.
Om Vrindaye Tulsidevaye Preyaye Kesavasacha Vishnu Bhakti Pradevi Satya Vidya Namo Namaha. Om Vrindaye Tulsidevaye Preyaye Kesavasacha Krishna Bhakti Pradevi Satya Vidya Namo Namaha. All together. Om Vrindaye Tulsidevaye Preyaye Kesavascha Krishna Bhakti Pradevi Satya Vidya Namo Namaha. Jai Jai Srimati Tulsi Devi ki, Vrinda Devi ki, Bhakti Devi ki, Jai.
Next, we would like to show our sincere appreciation by giving our VIPs special gift. So we would like to invite Her Grace Shanti Rupa Mataji to present the gifts for the VIPs. Just hold on for a moment. Can we get the gifts? So it is very important to actually show appreciation to all the senior devotees and Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. Yes, there's some cookies and muffins. And yes, it's retreats from our Vaishnavis. And Maharaj would like to get your kind self to actually give a short speech on how you can encourage us on Vaishnavis.
You gotta hold this.
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिन् इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार शिवासादि गौरभक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Very happy to be here in Malaysia at this wonderful convention. I think in this particular occasion, the launching of the Vaishnava retreat for the coming year is also very significant. And I'm amazed to know at the history of the Vaishnava retreat how it has grown and how it has assumed a huge proportion now that you are stepping up into it becoming an international Vaishnava retreat. Actually, the word Vaishnava is beyond gender, and it's very nice that Vaishnavis, that is Vaishnavas in female bodies, are getting together to actually savor Krishna consciousness, encourage themselves in Krishna consciousness and the spread of Krishna consciousness. In human society, I think women have a very, very important role in the culture, in the tradition, and so also in Vaishnava culture and tradition. And like Rupa Goswami has mentioned, Swajatiya, that you should get together with people of the same inclinations and proclivity and tastes. So it's perfectly appropriate that you would get together as Vaishnavis and discuss the revolution of Krishna consciousness in the whole world that Prabhupada has initiated, and what very significant traditional role that you would all play, irrespective of the social situation that the world is in, irrespective of what's going on in society. Within the Krishna consciousness movement, women play a very important role as Vaishnavis. In a conversation in the Leelamrita, you will see Prabhupada speaking about this. And I think it is Vishaka Devidasi who was there. And Prabhupada distinguished and said, women like this. And then he said to Vishaka, but you're not a woman, you're a Vaishnavi. He made a distinction. So we are talking about a Vaishnavi retreat. We're talking about devotees meeting together who play a very important role, a fulcrum inside the family, inside the society, and inside the Krishna consciousness movement. I think that in families, which are the basic unit of the Krishna consciousness movement and the congregations, they would have a very important role in encouraging children, encouraging their wards, and giving great strength to the male members and the backing and support in Krishna consciousness. For me personally in my life, I think the person who inspired me most is my mom. I would say this in this personal place. I'm from a large family. I have 5 sisters and 2 brothers in my Purva Ashrama, which means we were 8 of us. And I used to call them Pancha Pandavis, all my sisters together. And I remember that I was working up, being a design engineer and working very good and ready to go to America to pursue my masters, and I contacted devotees, read Bhagavad Gita, became very interested in Krishna consciousness. I was very good friends with my mom, friends, and I would express everything to her. One fine day I told her that I think I should become a devotee and join full time, and she didn't like it very much. But I liked it very much, and over the next 1.5 years, I actually resigned my job one day and came home and never told anybody at home. and came home and told my mom that I think I'm going to become a full-time monk. I resigned my job. And there was complete pin drop silence. My mom was knitting and she didn't say anything for some time. Then I was thinking, wow, have I dropped a bomb? And then after a 1 minute pause, she looked at me and said, actually it's very good. I have so many children. One of them becomes a monk. It's very nice. I bless you. Go ahead. I was very surprised to hear this. But I could say that in my life, a female factor, a Vaishnavi, played a very important role in encouraging me to give my life to Krishna consciousness, to Prabhupada's mission. So I think Vaishnavis are very important and they can inspire so many male members, female members, and I'm saying this with a lot of feeling. I've been coming to Malaysia for many years. And I have a lot of sisters here. I've got a lot of spiritual daughters here too. And I wish you all the best with this Vaishnava retreat. And may Krishna shower his blessings on all of you to take this forward and make many, many more Vaishnavis. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Maharaj, for your very, very inspiring details. So before we end today's Vaishnavi Retreat launch, so there is a special gift for all of you. So do not forget to collect your gifts at the door before you go out later, together with Vaishnavi Retreat pamphlet as well. So thank you again, and I would like to see all the Matajis in Vaishnavi Retreat 2025. Hare Krishna.